Okay, now I will teach you how to build your first mobile app, which is the Hello World app. This is a very simple application that will just contain one button, and when you press on the button, the app will say our Hello World for you. So I will drag and drag a button into my app, and then under the properties of the button, I will rename it as Spigot. So now you can see that the button is changed to Spigot. And then I would like to align the button to the center of the screen. So I will go to screen 1, and under the properties of screen 1, I would change the horizontal alignment to center. Then I will add a label to my app, and the label will contain the 2 words that I want the app to say out for me. So I will change the properties of the label, okay, to Hello World. Okay, now you can see that the label is changed to Hello World. And then I will add what we call an invisible component to the app. And we say that this is invisible because under the UI, you won't be able to see the component, but it will be working for you in the background. So I will add a text-to-speech component to my app. Now, under the designer view, I will have 3 components: a button, a label, and a text-to-speech component. Alright, after creating all the components in the designer view, we can then move to the blocks view. Under the blocks view, we can set up all the instructions, or what we call blocks, to control the behavior of our mobile app. If we look for blocks that are related to a particular UI component, then we can just click on the component, for example, the button that we have just created. Then I'm going to use the first one here, which is a yellow one. Notice that all the yellow blocks, they are control blocks. They can be used to control events that are happening in the mobile app. I'm going to use this one. When button 1 is clicked, then I'm going to ask the mobile app to do something for me, and I'm going to fill that something inside this empty slot. I'm going to ask the text-to-speech component to say out something for me, and that something should be the 2 words that I've stored inside the label. Okay, so this is our first little program for the Hello World app. When button 1 is clicked, I'm going to ask text-to-speech component to say out Hello World.